So you're thinking about investing in the Philippine stock market. However, the only problem is you don't know how the stock market really works. At iniisip mo na masyadong risky ang pag-i-invest sa stock market. That's not a problem anymore because you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Bri from PinoyManifesto.com, where I teach Pinoy to save and invest now so they can live the life they deserve later. And in this video, you will discover how the stock market really works and how to get started. Kung paano ka ba makakapagsimulang mag-invest sa Philippine stock market. Bago natin alamin kung ano ba ang stock market, simulan natin sa stock or shares of stocks. First, let's find out what is a stock. Stock is a small portion of a company that represents company's ownership. Ang stock ay ang maliit na portion ng kumpanya at ito ang binebenta ng kumpanya, that's kumpanya, sorry for the typo, sa mga investor na katulad mo. Para makaipon or makalikom ng pera upang gamitin pagpapalaki or pagpapaunlad ng kumpanya. Since bawat shares of stocks ay nagre-represent ng pagmamayari sa kumpanya, so meaning, pag bumili ka or nag-invest ka sa kumpanya, isa ka na sa may-ari nito. At kung gusto mong mag-invest at magmay-ari ng mga naglalakihang kumpanya sa Pilipinas, if you want to invest and own those huge companies in the Philippines, then go to the Philippine stock market. Dahil ang stock market or ang Philippine stock market ay ang lugar upang makabili or makapagbenta ng mga shares ng mga kumpanya. Okay, ngayon na malinaw na kung ano si stock market, let's find out paano ka ba makakapagsimulang mag-invest sa stock market. So let's get started. First thing first, you need a stockbroker. Why? You can invest directly in the stock market without a stockbroker, since they are the one who's authorized to directly transact in the stock market. So with that said, if you want to invest in the stock market, then you need to open a stockbroker's account. Stockbroker, so sino ba si stockbroker? Stockbroker will stand as your middleman sa pagbili at pagbebenta ng stock investment mo. Once you have a stockbroker's account, then that's the time you can buy your stock investment. So let's move on to buying your first stock investment. Okay, now that you have a broker's account, then this is the time to buy your first stock investment. Buying your first stock investment is the most critical part, especially if you're just starting out. Dahil sa pagbili mo ng investment mo, nakasalalay if you will earn or not. Kung kikita ka ba yung investment mo or hindi. So let's find out. I know what you're thinking. Some of you is thinking na dapat blue chips companies ang piliin mo. Then, start with the blue chips companies. Tama. Ano ba yung blue chips companies? Ito, yung mga kumpanya na may napatunayan na, or ito, yung mga malalaking kumpanya. Or na, build na nila yung foundation nila, and nakakasigurado tayo na after long term is andyan pa rin yung mga kumpanya since established na sila. Since malalaki at mauunlad na yung kumpanya, na paglalagakan mo ng pera mo, hindi na masyadong magalaw yung presyo ng mga stocks nila. At makakaasa ka, like what I've said, na after 5 years to 10 years, na nag-i-invest ka is nandyan pa din yung kumpanyang pinag-investan mo. Since they establish their foundation and they will stand strong for years to come. So here's what I want you to make sure. To invest your money sa mga kumpanya na tingin mo na mas uunlad pa after 5 to 10 years. Okay. If I make myself clear, or you can start with blue chips companies, then let me ask you a question. So tell me kung saan ka kasama. Number 1, na nag-start ka na mag-invest. Number 2, na nag-iisip ka pa, kino-consider mo pa lang mag-invest. Or number 3, na gusto mong mag-invest but still may pumipigil pa sa'yo. Is it 1, 2, or 3? So tell me in the comment kung nag-start ka na, kailan ka pa nag-start, and what makes you start your investing journey? Bakit ka nag-decide na mag-invest? Or kung hindi ka pa nag-start, please tell me what's stopping you from starting your investing journey. I want to hear it in the comment box, and just to let you know, I love reading comments. So just tell it below and let's talk about it. So okay, do you want to know the fastest way to learn how the stock market really works? Then the fastest way to learn how the stock market works is get started. Just start. Learn the basic, the fundamentals, and how the stock market works, and you will understand the other important things about it after you start. And so our key takeaway for this video is just start investing. If you like this video, let me know by clicking the like button and share this video with your friends. And for more videos about Philippine stock market, just click the subscribe button and don't forget to click that bell to get notified for new videos. So good luck and see you on the next video.